Surf gentle waves suitable for your level that allow you to fall without risking strong impacts or being held underwater too long. Surf deeper waters if possible to avoid getting thrown into the shallow sandbar or reef when falling. If possible, try to fall backwards or sideways, but never in front of your board to avoid it hitting you from behind. Always fall flat, also known as the starfish or pancake technique. Never jump feet first or dive head first into the water, since we often surf shallow places and we can never be sure of what's underwater. Always protect your face and head with one or both hands if possible to avoid getting hit by your board. Give a small kick to throw yourself in the opposite direction of your board when falling, so the odds are lower of getting hit if you get caught in the washing machine. Use soft boards and soft fins to avoid serious consequences to you and others around you. Never be afraid of using surf helmets, boots, or thicker wetsuits to protect yourself from your own board or other surfers. When surfing all the way to shore or finishing a ride in shallow reefs, there's a safer alternative to jumping off your board. First, slow down your board by shuffling back to the tail and applying weight to your back foot. Then, slowly go back down onto your board to hold the rails and secure it. This is known as a perfect dismount.